Okay, next one is anyone who just opts in on this first page here and doesn't go any further. So they obviously get through this page and then they drop off there. So they don't opt in for a call at all. So Barb shouldn't be reaching out to these people. They should just be getting the email, and then we can enter them into another workflow. So what I've done here is obviously anyone who's contact who is subscribes to this list here, so they've just filled out step 1 and gone no further. So they obviously get the ebook. I've tagged them as downloading the separation and divorce guide, and then I've got another else or if. So if they don't fill in the second form and end up on the list that this form is connected to on the second page, if they do not, we've added a tag they did not request a call, and then I've ended the automation. So if they have, just end the automation and I'll run you through what happens there. So what we can do here is you can then use the schedule once automated email workflow, so we can enroll them into that, have those 3 emails over the month period, with a call to action to book in for a call through schedule once. So we can run that automation to anyone who's just hit this tag.